Firestick is over? I think so. Let's go. Welcome to the channel once again. Very appreciative of you guys. Touchtone Rapid Tech Trends. If you're new, go below and subscribe. Hit the little bell. Keep alert of all my videos. We bring everything from budget to high end. Today, we're talking about TiVo. What dream? Firestick is over? I think so. I think these days are over. But I think this video is going to kind of convince you. Let's start off with the TiVo stream has what? First of all, you're going to have a lot of more videos this week. If you go below and subscribe and comment, you're gonna be eligible to win this because my last Firestick 4K, and you can have it. All you gotta do is comment on this video and subscribe to this channel. Now, what are we talking about here? We're talking about something simple, easy peasy, because everything we do here is easy peasy. First of all, new studio. I'm not done yet, but this is why you haven't seen a video in a week and a half as well. Hope you guys like this, the way it's coming out. That's the reason why. So we got videos all week, and next week we're gonna talk about TiVo stream. We're gonna do reviews, the pros, the cons of it, and there's a lot of cons too as well. Don't think it's all pros. What I like about it, it is what? Less bloatware. That's one of my main things. What is bloatware? Native apps that come with your device. Like the Firestick has tons of bloatware. All kinds of apps already pre-installed that you cannot remove. Same thing with what? The TiVo. Same situation, but less, okay? You can add memory to this. The remote is nicer than the stick. It has a lot of stuff going for it. And during this week, I'm gonna show you a bunch of videos. I'm gonna show you a lot of tutorials how to install third-party apps, okay? Third-party apps that are not native to the what? The TiVo stream. Same thing that we used to do with Firestick. I'm gonna show you how to install that. I'm gonna show you how to change it up, how to change maybe even the launcher, how to give it a different look, how to make it a little bit faster, how to keep your stuff fast, quick, easy peasy, all right? Right now, I'm gonna show you how this IPTV works on it. All right, so this is what you're gonna see on a Firestick, on the TiVo, any device. Just a real quick glance of some good live IPTV. 10 connections for like 14 something. It's a hell of a deal. They're only doing it this week. So click on the link in the description below, lock to IP, obviously, and 3 anywhere. So in the description below, there'll be a link. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so quick, we'll go to entertainment. Click on entertainment. You have all these channels work beautiful. We'll click on one just really quick, just to show you. Of course, once it's loaded up, there you go. Cooking channel. I'm not letting them go in for a certain reason because I'll get a copyright strike. See how it goes in. Discovery ID, Discovery Turbo, all that good stuff. We'll get out of there. Got Sky Movies, Movie Premiums, Premium Sports, local channels, CBC, your local state. We'll log out. ESPN, events only, pay-per-view day of, the day of a fight. There you go. UFC, boxing, or WWE. NBA League Pass, NHL, ICE, Canales Latino, for all the Latinos. You have Latinos, Deportes, Caricatura, Brazil, Argentina, Central America, Colombia, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Peru, Portuguese, wow, and they keep on going. Canada, United Kingdom. That's just a quick glance. Now that you've seen just how IPTV works on it, if you're interested in that, go below in the description below. There'll be a link there. You can go directly there if you're interested. If you don't already have your own service, and then wait for the video next week, and you'll be able to install your own service on the TiVo stream. Quick video warming you guys up on what's coming up next week. I'm gonna do in-depth videos because why? I don't like to review the product most of the time just because I got it and say it's the best thing. I really like to take a whole week on it and show you the ins and outs, what's bad, what is good, what is not good for it, what's good and what's not good for you, all right? And what's important here? You at the end of the day. So tell me what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed that I'm back. I appreciate you guys like always. To win $1,000, you have to go below and subscribe and comment on this video, all right? We're only doing that for this month, and that's it. No more giveaways for $1,000. It's gonna be 500 bucks. I've been giving away too much, guys. I'm giving away a lot of boxes, a lot of stuff. This is what we're doing. This is where we're gonna work, and I hope you guys can work with me, all right? Appreciate you guys like always. Peace and grace, and catch the new tech wave.